Hey there. So, day 12, I think, is Sunday, and Sunday is Sunday FUNday, correct? So, today, this is little Ricky's egg. So, you wonder how I know them apart, right? So, Ricki lays the littlest egg. This one right here is the darkest colored egg, and this is Ginger. Ginger's the one that's laid eggs since the very beginning, and she laid a double yolk 5 times in a row. So, this is Ginger. This one, because it's a little more pointy, see the difference? It's a little pointy. This is Frederica, aka Fred. Fred and Ricki just laid these 2 eggs this morning. And then Ethel, she's the mean girl. Ethel is definitely the mean girl. And when we fell back on our time change, when it was dark a lot, she refused to lay an egg. She just started laying an egg when we sprung forward. And see, her egg is kind of the same kind of shape, and it's a little bit in the pinkish tone. So today we're going to whip up those girls' eggs. I mean, they're totally amazing and delicious and organic. And I'm going to put them in the pan and layer the pan with Gruyere cheese and the famous pepper. Can't do anything without that pepper. And then once it gets a little bit settled on the bottom, I'm going to place this pan in the oven, and I'm going to put the broiler on so it gets a little bit gooey and crispy on the Gruyere cheese. And I love arugala, and I just think it's really delicious. So we're going to have a simple arugala salad on the side, and Akram from Thyme of Essence, his olive oil. Just put a little sprig of his olive oil in here, and a little fig balsamic dressing. I know, kill me, the pepper. I'm telling you, you don't come to my house and leave without some. So anybody who comes to dine gets pepper. And then Penny Nathan got me these cute little salt containers. It's adorable. And we put some beautiful sea salt in there and toss it up. And that's going to be the little side salad. And I think I might add some burrata cheese, just as much fat as we possibly can have, because it's really good for us doing the keto diet. And I keep the eggshells. So here's the cracked eggshell for tomorrow. And I just crush it up. And tomorrow the chickens will have crushed eggshells because it's super good for their calcium. They need calcium in their bodies to help their bones be strong, because they're constantly laying eggs, and I think it's just really healthy for them. So a little introduction to Sunday FUNday. Promise me no social distancing. We are physically distancing. That word social distancing is not what we need. We need connectivity. We need to reach out and touch someone we love virtually. We need to be really supportive of one another via Zoom, via FaceTime, via text, via a phone call. Oh my God, it was so funny. I was just talking to Lori Thiel on FaceTime a little bit ago, and she's like, oh my gosh, people who typically only text are now picking up the phone or FaceTiming. So I just don't want people to be sad and lonely. We got to make limoncello out of lemons. So happy Sunday. And Philip and I have something really fun that we want to do this week that we've been kind of conjuring up. So we'll share it with you if it comes to fruition. And in the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay physically distant.